Okay guys, we're doing the 3-box break now. The teams, it's 5:28, 9 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Playlist, we're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Save. Part 1 there. And the teams now. Going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Random is complete, and the teams are Indy with Blazers, Coulson Blazers and Raptors, Raptors, Leonardo Clippers, Albie Pacers, Ash Peters Sixers, Corey with Hornets, Murray with Wolves, Johnny Deegan Nuggets, Albie Wizards, Jeff with Lakers, Corey Mavericks, Ryan Papp with Celtics, Johnny Deegan Jazz, Albie Pistons, Stashman Suns, Jay with Grizzlies and Cavs, Matt Robertson Warriors, Coulson Pelicans, Mitch with Heat, Jay with Kings and Magic, Benji Hawks, Johnny Deegan Thunder, Coulson Knicks, Philip Tran Nets, Matt with Spurs, Bill with Rockets, and Bowman with Bucks. And that is the team list. If anyone wants to trade, go ahead, and I'll be back at 7 to start the break. Yoink. Oops. Undo. Actually, let's copy the whole list. Yoink. Times 5:30, 24 PM.